Alright, and here is the final product. Took a few days, had to scrape out some epoxy. Mistakes were made. No problem. It's art. Especially this part right here. I had to, for some reason that epoxy didn't set on that whole length right there. So I first had to scoop it out and go with something different. But anyhow, that's what we got. Pretty good detail on all of them. Alright, that's it for now. Moving on to the next project. If you absolutely have to need one of these, let me know. Alexa, pause the video, damn it.
I don't know that.
Alexa, pause the video.
I don't know that.
Alexa, stop the music. Okay, she got that. Hey Zeke, what's up? What are you doing, big dog? You're back in the shop, huh? Yeah. Look at that. Look how cleaned up this shop is. It is amazing. But Zeke, a little more gray hair. Yep, that's you. Talking about you. Zeke's going deaf. He don't hear too good anymore. Zeke, here's Zeke. Zeke. Zeke! Up, there he hears me now. Stay, it's alright. It's alright, buddy dog. Alright, you want a treat? Zeke, you want something to eat? Huh? Snack? Food? Yeah, he's deaf. Alright, here we go. What? What is it? Got something to say? What? What is it? Well, speak. What is it? Shake. That's a good boy. Alright. Go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down, puppy dog. Alright, here we go.